Hey everyone, Jerzy Poznar here with Up Close Travel. We help you get up close and personal with the world's greatest destinations. Today we're going to take a look at Regent Seven Seas Cruises and we're going to talk about what's included in your rate. So Regent is one of the most all-inclusive, luxurious cruise line out there. They are one of the best, and they have a lot that's included in your rate. We're going to talk about that in a moment. But if you have any questions about Regent or anything else, I'd love to help. You can contact me anytime, 7 days a week. For now, let's take a look at what's included in your rate with Regent Seven Seas Cruises. Okay, so here we're going to go over what you're getting with a Regent Seven Seas Cruise. So Regent is ultra luxury. They're one of the best top of the line cruise lines, and they are all inclusive. So basically, you can just leave your wallet at home. There's nothing you need to pay for. So everything is going to be included with your rate. So all your beverages, all your meals, all your shore excursions, all your entertainment on board, your gratuities, Wi-Fi, all that stuff is included. Now, of course, there are some extras that you can purchase, and that's what we're going to go over now. But you can leave your wallet at home, and there's nothing you need to purchase, and you're going to have a fantastic time with everything included. There's nothing that you need to add. One of the things that I didn't even let you know is that the airfare is also included. So for international flights, those are included. So if you're traveling on a cruise overseas, you're going to have business class air included. For domestic flights, they are included, and those are economy. So business for international, economy for domestic. And if you decided to get air on your own, you can do air on your own, and then you can get an air credit for flights. So they'll give you money off your cruise fare. Free unlimited shore excursions. So a lot of cruise lines, they charge you for shore excursions, and Regent does not. So they have over 2,000 excursions that are included. Now, there are going to be those options that do have a charge. You know, there might be some options that have a charge like visiting Machu Picchu or something like that. But if you did not want to pay extra for excursions, every day, every port you visit, there will be free options. So, and you can do as many as you can. So if there's 3 that fit your schedule and you want to do all 3, you can. Free 2 or 3 night land program. So I'll give you an example for this one. If you're visiting South Africa, there is a 3-night winelands and wildlife from Cape Town where you can enjoy the heart of South Africa's wine production in the Cape Winelands. Then you can travel to Table Mountain National Park and meet the penguins at Boulders Beach before stepping into history at the Castle of Good Hope. This is an incredible journey. It continues with a proper African safari where guests will have the opportunity to see everything from black rhinos and giraffes to hippos and crocodiles. So that's 2 or 3 night programs. There are some free, and then there's others that have a charge. So Machu Picchu would be one that would have a charge, but there's plenty to choose from that are included. Free 1-night pre-cruise hotel package. So I always recommend trying to get there at least a day before your cruise starts. You don't want to arrive the morning that your cruise starts if you don't have to. So if you're booked in a concierge class suite and above, you're going to have a pre-cruise night hotel included. Free unlimited beverages. So you're going to get premium beverages that are included. Of course, there are those upper premiums that might be extra, but premium beverages all included, and in your mini bar in your suite. Free open bars and lounges. Free prepaid gratuities. Gratuities all included, nothing you have to pay at the end of your trip. Free specialty restaurants. There's a lot of cruise lines out there that have specialty restaurants that have a surcharge, but with Regent, you're not paying for any dining on board, and you'll be able to reserve your spot for a restaurant ahead of time, and you'll be able to enjoy it with no extra charge. Transfers are included between airport and ship. Wi-Fi included. They will have the more premium Wi-Fi that you can purchase, but if you're not looking to stream or anything like that, and if you just want to kind of stay connected, the unlimited Wi-Fi that's included is going to be just fine. Free valet laundry service also. So at the end of each day, if you want to clean your clothing, you're able to do that. And personal butler for each stateroom. That's not on here, but you get a personal butler for penthouse suites and above. So as you see here, there's a lot of things. Everything's included. So leave your wallet at home. There are those extras that you can purchase, but you do not need to. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me anytime. I'm available 7 days a week. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and hit that notification bell to be notified of future shows. Thanks so much for watching, and take care. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.